Hi guys, so I just want to drop one or two things that will help somebody today. If you are still starting up, please use what you have. That local oven you have, just use it. What you have to do is to get an oven thermometer. An oven thermometer is going to help you regulate the heat. As you regulate, master your oven to know how this works and know the best temperature that works. You can hear some people say, I bake at 350 degrees, whether Fahrenheit or centigrade, whichever one they bake at, it may not work for you because of the type of oven that you have. So you need to practice, let me use the word trial and error over time. But it is best to bake at a very low, not very low, but a low temperature. It is very good to bake at a low temperature as you master it. Bye. Hi guys, this is Joma here. Welcome to another episode of my cooking. Did you know that you're leavening agent or you're raising agent? When I say leavening or raising agent, I mean your chemical leaveners, which include baking powder, or your natural leaveners, which is oil. Do you know they can affect the outcome of it? Excess of these raising agents make or mar. If you mistakenly add excess of this, you tend to have very hardened cake. It seems as if your cake, it won't rise. If it comes in excess, your cake is not going to rise. And it's going to look as if it's hardened and clump up together. So when you are handling your raising agents, baking powder, baking soda, lemon juice, lime juice, even the vinegar you use to activate your baking soda, ensure you measure puree. Or else, it won't like help. Bye.